Hi, my name is Vishal and she's my wife Aditi, and we came here to visit Jageshwar Dham Mandir. So we decided to stay in one Serai because of the view. It is located in the forest area. We visited the temple and the view we got from the hotel room that was complimentary. The service which was provided by the staff, the entire staff, and particularly Vijayji, who is the manager of the hotel, was awesome. Uh, there was an instance wherein we were stuck while coming from the Jageshwar Dham Mandir. It was pitch dark. We were not able to see our hand, uh, and he helped us out. He came on his bike, and he rescued us from the dark.
Staff is very
So
cooperative
thank
in
you very
all
much,
tasks.
Vijayji, for that. Apart from that, the food was awesome. It is a vegetarian food, uh, a very simple food, and you will feel like that you are having your food at home from your wife or your mother. So overall, it was an awesome stay. While leaving the hotel, we stayed here for 2 nights, and my wife actually wanted the stay to be extended for one more night, but it was not possible due to the occupancy. And we decided that next time when we will come here, we will stay for at least 4 nights. Thank you very much once again, Vansarai.